Here I will type Gmail account recovery page and press enter. This is the link, Google account recovery. It will take me to recovery page. Here you are to type the recovery email name that you want to recover. Then you will click next. Here you are to type the last password you remember. If you don't remember the password, you will click try another way. As you see, Google has recognized my device. It will send a notification to the notification area. This is a notification. I will open the notification. When I open the notification, you see here is my email address, my device, my location, and all other details. I am to tap yes button here. You can see yes button on the right side, and I will tap yes. When I tap the yes, you can see here is the option. I can create new password. In the first box, I will create a password, and in the second, I am to confirm the password. Okay, and then the account will be created. Sorry, a new password will be created. If you don't have your phone number with you, mobile phone with you, you will tap try another way. Other ways we have left with our recovery email address that we don't have, so I will again click try another way. This is the recovery phone number. I will say I don't have my phone number. Then it will say they need some time to review my request. This is the last option. You are to provide some email address, not this one, another email address of which password you remember, and Google will inform you with its decision. Most probably Google will be unable to recover your email address. You must have recovery email address or recovery phone number or the device where you frequently log in. If you don't have any of them, it is very hard to recover your email address. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.